The Maharashtrian Poha is a complete meal in itself. Let's start the special Poha with unique ingredients. Small cute brinjals are a part of our dish today. Let's quickly heat up the kadai. Pour 3 spoons of oil and let it heat. Add mustard seeds, and some hing. Add some fresh green curry leaves. Add 2 chopped green chilies. Temper the spices well. Add finely chopped potatoes. A cup of green peas adds color to your dish. Small cute brinjals. Let's add them. Add salt as per your taste. A dash of turmeric will give the yellow color. Add some finely chopped tomatoes. The reason we add tomatoes is that it does not create any acidity in the system. A little sugar for taste. Add loads of chopped coriander while cooking. Take about 4 fistfuls of puffed rice or poha and wash them with water. Make sure you remove all the water from the poha. After they are fluffy enough, add them to the sauté vegetables. Let's mix them well so that each poha gets the color. Lemon adds a zing of taste and flavor. After the poha is ready, add chopped coriander. Add some freshly grated coconut, which adds a sweet taste to the poha. Serve it hot and let's enjoy this delicious dish. Did you know the Maharashtrian cuisine is rated as one of the most healthiest and nutritious diet?